Join me as I dive into the predictions of stock experts and see if I can guess the next big movers in the market. Today, we're going to be focusing on Syrs stock predictions and why they're so crucial for investors in today's market. With so many factors at play, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions when it comes to your investments. The current market conditions are certainly presenting some challenges for Syrs stocks. With interest rates on the rise, many investors are getting a little nervous about where to put their money. On top of that, global economic uncertainty is causing some volatility in the markets, making it tough to predict what's going to happen next. Syrs stocks, in particular, have been affected by these changes, and it's essential to understand the implications of these shifting market conditions. Many investors are wondering if it's time to get out of Syrs stocks altogether, or if there are still opportunities to be had. One of the biggest concerns for Syrs stocks right now is the impact of inflation on their bottom line. With prices rising across the board, many companies are struggling to maintain their profit margins, and Syrs is no exception. If inflation continues to rise, it could spell trouble for Syrs stocks in the long run. On the other hand, if the company can find a way to adapt to these changing market conditions, there could be some excellent opportunities for investors who are willing to take on a little risk. Another thing to consider is the impact of global trade policies on Syrs stocks. With tariffs and trade agreements changing all the time, it's difficult to predict how these policies will affect the company's international business. This uncertainty is causing some investors to pull back on their investments in Syrs stocks, but others see this as an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of what could be a significant turnaround. In the short term, it's likely that Syrs stocks will continue to experience some volatility as the market adjusts to these new conditions. However, if the company can find a way to navigate these challenges, there could be some significant gains to be had in the long run. When we take a closer look at recent trends and expert opinions, we start to see a more comprehensive picture of what's going on with Syrs stocks. Many analysts are predicting a rebound in the second half of the year, as the company starts to adapt to the new market conditions. However, others are more cautious, warning that the challenges facing Syrs stocks are too great to overcome. One thing is certain, Syrs stocks are definitely worth keeping an eye on in the coming weeks and months. With so much uncertainty in the market, it's essential to stay informed and adapt quickly to changing conditions. By analyzing recent trends and expert opinions, investors can get a better sense of what's likely to happen next and make informed decisions about their investments. One of the most critical predictions I've heard recently is that Syrs stocks are likely to drop even further in the short term before rebounding later in the year. This could be a significant opportunity for investors who are willing to take on a little risk and get in on the ground floor of what could be a significant turnaround. Of course, this is just one prediction, and there are many different opinions out there. Another expert has predicted that Syrs stocks will continue to struggle until the company can find a way to address its underlying profitability issues. This could take some time, but if the company can make some significant changes, it could lead to a major turnaround in the long run. It's also worth considering the potential impact of global economic trends on Syrs stocks. If the global economy starts to rebound, it could have a significant impact on Syrs stocks and could potentially lead to a major upswing. To recap, we've taken a closer look at the current market conditions facing Syrs stocks, analyzed recent trends and expert opinions, and discussed some of the most critical predictions out there. It's essential to stay informed and adapt quickly to changing conditions in the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more insights into stock predictions, be sure to check out our video on the next big movers in the market.